Hi, I'm Jeff from Sussex Installations. A couple of different jobs on the go in progress at the moment on this Thursday afternoon. This is a DT Civils van, one of many. We've been working our way through the fleet, around about 20 or so on fleet, and a bit of a trek for them actually bringing them down from Wales, but they're a top civil engineering firm in Wales, and they want their job to be done right on their vehicles, and they've been bringing them down here to us at Sussex Installations to do that. So Matt's in here. What are you doing there at the moment, Matt?
Fitting an automatic alarm to this one with a load area upgrade, which consists of a hardwired PIR and a high position pin switch, which we'll put on the top of the side door as well. So if anyone tries to bend the side door down before they've actually damaged the side door at all, it's going to set the alarm off. So it'll give the driver time to get out.
Yeah, so basically what fitting an alarm, full alarm system to this van. This van's already got deadlocks, but actually these ones are already fitted before they come down to us, and we're going to be working our way through on the new fleet of vans. We've got some sprinters coming. We'll be doing some extra additional deadlocks and different security products on them. But yeah, fitting the alarm system, bonnet pin switches, siren underneath the bonnet. Matt's fitting the actual alarm brain underneath the dashboard. As he said, up here we've got the we're fitting the high position switch. So if someone's to start folding the door open, then that's going to set the alarm off. We're fitting a PIR inside the load area here. This PIR will detect even if someone cuts a hole in the side of the van and tries to get into this van. So obviously DT Civils, they're based in Wales, but they get all around the well, not just the country, they're all around England. They get all over. Top fleet, working with all the major utility companies. So I don't know a lot about civil engineering, but they got some machinery, and they got the know-how, and they got the people to do it. So another job that's on the go here, just across the road, we have a Ford Custom. Lots of Ford Customs. It's not all about Fords here at Sussex Installations, but there's been a reputation in the past with the security vulnerabilities, and a lot of tradesmen like once bitten, twice shy. So this van actually had a rep lock on already, and if you don't know what a rep lock is, it's the standard lock here. The standard lock has been susceptible to the grips attack. So this driver's door lock, it's not just a vulnerability to the driver's door, to the front, it can be a vulnerability to the back of the van. So it can unlock the whole van, and it can unlock it very easily. The grips attack is just ridiculous, but a lot of these are now with rep lock, so it's meaning that easy grip attack is not it's not susceptible to it. And then there's the Ford software update, and if the Ford software update doesn't work or that it's not been done, we can do our own electronic mods to stop this lock unlocking the load area of the van. Then typically what we suggest is a deadlock, so an extra layer of mechanical security. What that means is if they do get past the factory lock-in, the door opens for just a couple of millimeters, and the deadlock just stops the door from opening. And this is the hook type of deadlock. So you'll ask people you get people asking, I want a hook lock. That's a hook lock. It's a deadlock, but the lock case is this hook type, and it goes in, it hooks in on the bracket, which will fit like on the other side of the door in this case, and it just hooks in on this part. So it's to help to reduce a spreading attack. So if someone goes in there with a large screwdriver or a crowbar, it's going to help to resist the spreading attack. There's so much easy pickings, you just wouldn't believe until you start looking at it how vulnerable so many of these vans are, that you do need to do something with your van security. Take yourself out of that easy pickings bracket, and there's other things you can do, like the PIR in the load area for the alarm system. Quite often we upgrade customers factory fitted Ford alarms if they have them, and we put the high position switch on the side load door. We put the PIR in the load area. We had another one in this morning where actually it turned out the customer didn't have the factory fitted alarm system, so we had to also fit an alarm in addition to fitting the deadlocks and the rep lock. We also had another vehicle here which was a different type of configuration, where they had seats in the load area. It was like a crew cab type of van. So you got the 2 or 3 normal seats in the front. It also had a row of 3 seats in the back and windows in the back. So there was no need to sort of fit the deadlock on the side load door on that van. We just did the one on the back door. We changed the driver's door barrel. I don't think we needed the electronic modification on that vehicle. It was one that had it already. This particular van, I think this is being converted with a window in the side door, so we'd often go with a high position deadlock, but in this case we're going with the low position deadlock on the side load door, and that's just so that he can continue with his specific requirements, getting the window in the side and doing his conversion for camper van. If you're looking for security products, get in touch via the website. It's www.sussexinstallations.co.uk. Thanks for watching.